Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen, and this channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. If you like any of those things, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It is almost Halloween, yes. So in a few days, it will be Halloween. And recently, I had a comment asking me what was I gonna wear for Halloween. And I thought about that, and I was thinking, I've already did my Halloween costume SHEIN haul. So in that video, I had the naughty smoking bunny, then it had the referee, and also Harlequin. Wow, all of those. So I was thinking, what do I want to be? But my thought was, are you dressing up for Halloween this year? Are you wearing a mask over a mask? Comment below, let me know what you're doing this Halloween 2020 COVID crazy. Okay? I want to say welcome. Thank you for clicking on my channel. To my subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. I sure do appreciate it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to grow my channel. The more that you comment and the more that you subscribe, you are helping me out. It is free to you to subscribe. Hopefully you will enjoy this video and make sure that you hit that subscribe button. You can hit it now. That would be great. That would be awesome, like awesome sauce. As I was saying, someone reached out to me and asked me what I was wearing for Halloween. And I wanted to do a DIY poison ivy. That's what my plans were. That was what my plans were. But that did not happen. I did not make the purchase that I needed to make to do the DIY. So, I don't know. I don't know what I should do. What should I do? You know what? I think I need a referee. I think I need somebody to come in and like referee what I should do. What do you think, referee? Would you come in and help me out? Help me make my decision for what I should wear to Halloween? What do you think? Should we have the referee come in and referee what I should wear for Halloween? I think so. I think so. And I think that like the referee is ready to come in like right now. Oh my gosh, like, oh my God. Did somebody call her for a referee? Did someone call for a referee? What? Well, I am here. I am gonna referee what? Should she do a DIY costume for poison ivy? Now, let me check. Hold on. Time out. I got my whistle. Excuse me. I'm supposed to blow it, but then you will hear deafening sounds, so there we go. That is the whistle. Let's rewind, replay the conversation. The question is, what am I going to wear for Halloween? Now, as previously stated, I have already did my Halloween costume SHEIN haul, where I was the naughty smoking bunny, or the bunny smoking. Somebody was smoking and somebody was naughty. That's all I have to say. Is the smoking naughty bunny. or the naughty smoking bunny. And then I was the referee. And then I was Harlequin. So the question is, what am I wearing? I could choose any of those. I could choose the referee. I could choose Harlequin, or I could choose smoking naughty bunny. But I did want to do a DIY, but I did not have all the material. So I think what we should do is bring out just whatever we can show you, and hopefully you will be happy with that. Come on, Poison. It's your time. Okay, so let me just rearrange everything right quick. I gotta rearrange. You might want me to stand up. You want to see the costume of today? Yes? All right. Are you ready? Come on, Poison. So here's my take on Poison Ivy. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed all of my Halloween costumes. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of what was I gonna wear for Halloween. Halloween is right around the corner. Make sure if you are going out, make sure you practice social distancing. Make sure you double up on that mask if you are wearing a costume. And I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. And until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you in my next video. Videos are up every Tuesday and Thursday. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye-bye. Oh, what is this? This is my Disney Mickey Mouse. I am a part of the Boo Crew. So this is my Boo Crew sweatshirt from Disney. You like it? I like it.